Welcome to this NestLink demo video. My name is Hassan Ahmed and I'm a sales engineer here at QBuild Software. QBuild is the industry leader in integrating engineering software to ERP, providing customer-centric services to over 2,000 discrete manufacturers. We partner with 50 plus engineering and ERP systems, and as an international company with offices around the globe, we are able to support our customers no matter where they are. QSuite, our comprehensive solution suite, includes CAD-Link, ECX Manager, NestLink, and more. With QSuite, we empower our customers with streamlined processes and significant cost savings, ensuring efficiency and accuracy every step of the way. NestLink does all the heavy lifting behind the scenes, ensuring that your production jobs flow smoothly from ERP into SigmaNEST, as well as feeding real production results back into your ERP, closing the loop and keeping your operations fully aligned. Today, we'll take a look at how NestLink helps connect NetSuite to SigmaNEST. Let's start with a quick introduction of the NestLink product. The main purpose of NestLink is to eliminate manual data entry related to the nesting process and ensure accurate labor and material consumption is reported back to NetSuite. NestLink accomplishes this by establishing a bi-directional link between NetSuite work orders and inventory and SigmaNEST. That means it automatically transfers relevant information back and forth between the two systems without requiring manual input. Our NestLink integration is designed to run quietly in the background with minimal user interaction. Rather than offering a traditional user interface, it's designed to focus entirely on seamless data exchange as you work. So while you won't see much in the NestLink UI, NestLink plays a crucial role in bridging your ERP and nesting workflows. NestLink will check NetSuite every X minutes to identify work orders that pass the following set of criteria: contains a laser operation, is in a release state, and has open quantities. Once a work order or multiple work orders are identified, NestLink automatically generates demand in the SigmaNEST nesting software based on the requirements defined in NetSuite. And best of all, no user input is required. To control the data flow during the demo, I'll manually process two specific NetSuite work orders for NestLink to pick up and pass to SigmaNEST. In a live environment, users won't need to open or interact with this interface tool as NestLink transfers all the data seamlessly in the background. Now that NestLink has successfully synchronized our NetSuite work orders with SigmaNEST, let's go over to our nesting software and take a look at what records NestLink has created. Now that the job is fully populated, let's run a simulated nest and take a look at the results. Processing the data in SigmaNEST after syncing with NestLink goes through 4 major steps typical to nesting operations. Starting with creating a task, we then nest the layout, generate the NC, and post the program. Lastly, update the program. Now that the nesting and cutting process is completed, let's take a look at how NestLink will capture the results to update NetSuite work order completions. I'm going to open up the NestLink UI one more time to control the flow of data from SigmaNEST back to NetSuite. Just a reminder, this process also runs automatically in the background in a live environment. Let's start by refreshing the work order completion page. Once the refresh is complete, here's what we'll see. Backflush is set to true, indicating the component consumption will automatically be recorded when the work order is processed. the reference number appears. This is the actual work order number coming from the nesting software. We can also see the starting and ending operations. For example, if laser cutting isn't the last operation, this tells us where the cut steel is expected to go next in the process. The completed quantities are also displayed, showing how much of the job is already finished. Promise date, which is the target date for completing the work order. The priority level of the job is shown. The projected value provides the estimated cost of a work order. And finally, if the nesting software provides it, we'll also see labor transactions, including actual machine runtimes, giving us a clearer view of real-time labor cost and productivity. Scrap, remnants, and other material data can also be mapped if this information is relevant to your workflow, ensuring accurate end-to-end visibility. NestLink handles all the heavy lifting behind the scenes, ensuring your production job flows seamlessly from NetSuite ERP into SigmaNEST, while also sending real-time production results back to your ERP. This closes the loop and keeps your operations fully aligned. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you now have a clear understanding of how NestLink drives efficiency from your ERP to the shop floor and beyond. If you found this helpful, or want to learn how QBuild and NestLink can help enhance your productivity and streamline your shop floor processes, please visit our website and book a live demo today. Thank you again, and see you in the next one.